Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo to Lemfi. So to do this, you have to open your Lemfi app, then tap on Add Money, then select GPP Wallet. And from there, you have to tap Instant Bank Transfer, which is the UK. Then copy the bank details provided. Then Lemfi will show a UK bank, then account number. Then after that, the sort code assigned to you. Then copy these details carefully. Then after that, you have to open your Monzo app, then tap payment, then choose the bank transfer from there. Then after that, you have to paste the bank account number and sort code from Lemfi. Then enter the same exact as shown in Lemfi, then save the recipient. Then after that, you have to enter the amount and confirm and send, and that's how you can simply send money from Monzo to Lemfi. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.